Hey, what's up, guys? It's Skip from Catharsis Books and Vinyl, and today we're looking at some tablet monitors that are touchscreen that we have for sale on Marketplace. This is an 18 and a half inch tablet monitor. It is not a mobile tablet. It doesn't have a battery to charge, so you can carry it around. It needs an AC outlet to keep it powered on. These are mostly used in retail environments, either on the associate side, like in delis, flower departments, and the front counter, customer service, etc. Or sometimes they're on the shelf and customer facing for products, and you could tap on them and read more about the items or see videos about local companies that make food and beverages. So let's go ahead and plug it in. It is a 12 volt AC connection. The connections basically are you have power, mini USB, another USB. You have sound, so if you want to do speakers or headphones. There is a SD card slot, two more USBs, and a an Ethernet, which you can do power over Ethernet, which is actually better than 12 volt. If you want to do that, I can sell you an Ethernet adapter, wall adapter, so you can do it that way, but it's not entirely necessary. So let's go ahead and plug it in to 12 volt. And it powers on just like a regular Android tablet. You can connect it to your mobile network for like Verizon or AT&T or what have you, but again, it is not mobile. You need a wall connection. I cannot stress that enough. It is portable, so you can definitely connect a USB mouse and USB keyboard and just use it as a touchscreen monitor. You have to get a stand for it, which those aren't very expensive. Just screw the stand onto the back. You see the screw mounts there. So also you see that it does orient to either portrait or landscape, and I will be also submitting the specs for that. Basically, this is for plugging in, reading, looking at stuff online, or playing online games when plugged into an outlet. That is basically it. This again is not something that you could give to a child in a store because you have to have it plugged in. I wouldn't really recommend children having it anyway. There's no way to monitor any of the apps or anything that's being downloaded. So maybe a teenager or an older child. But you know, you have YouTube, online games, so you can watch videos. Um, it's a good price. I actually have several of these that I reconditioned from a company out west that went out of business. So if you are interested, reply, and I'm also going to submit a photo of all the specs so you can look that up as well. But if you're even at least tech savvy, which you know most kids are these days, I'm sure you'll have a good grasp of what's going on and how to figure it out.
Finds Johnson a deep three. That's good. It's a 1-point game with 6 points.